Have you ever asked yourself bakit parang sobrang bigat, sobrang guilty, mag-outgrow ng isang relationship? Whether if it's romantic ba yan, or di kaya friendship, or even familia. Kasi di ba mas madali sana kung may mga nagawang mali sila. Mas madaling kung may betrayal, or di kaya may mga sakit na dahilan talaga na para lang talaga pwede kang umalis right then and then. Pero paano kung babuti naman silang tao talaga? Paano kung wala silang ginawang masama sa'yo? And that's where it hurts the most. Let's be honest, ang hirap kumawala sa taong naging tahanan mo na, sa taong naging nandyan nung walang-wala ka, at sa taong naging safe space mo. At minsan, we hold on, not because we still belong, but because we feel like we owe them. At mabait kasi siya eh. Mabait kasi hindi ko naman siya pwedeng iwan. So, paano naman siya? But here's the truth that I have to learn the hardest way. Hindi porkit mabuti silang tao, ibig sabihin mabuti pa rin sila para sa growth mo. Sometimes we outgrow people not because they became bad, but because they were becoming different. And that's painful. Personal ko tong naranasan. I had friends na mahal ko. Yung tipong kapag walang-wala ka, nandyan sila. Yung pwede mong iyakan, ganyan, sabihan ng lahat ng bigat mo. They were being placed in my life for a reason. For connection, for safety, for growth, ganyan. Yung parang alam mo yung bigla kayo may common grounds at nakapag-connect kayo, and all throughout talagang masaya lang talaga kayo and may lungkot pero sabay pa rin kayo. Pero habang tumatagal, habang nag-grow kami, napansin ko hindi lang ako ang nagbago, pati shadows namin lumalaki din. And the more I step into a new version of myself, the more naramdaman ko may part pala sa akin na hindi na-align. And that part no one talks about. Outgrowing is not always loud. Sometimes it's silent. Sometimes the distance that you can't explain. It's the energy that no longer feels the same. At doon papasok yung guilt. Pero listen to this. Mas selfish ang manatili ka kung ang totoo wala ka na doon. Mas selfish kung kakapit ka pa rin dahil lang sa utang na loob. Kahit ang puso mo matagal nang umalis. Because you're not just lying to them. You're also betraying yourself. I realized in my spiritual awakening journey that the universe brings people into your life for a reason. To teach you, to hold you, to grow you. Hindi lahat kasi meant to stay. And that doesn't make you a bad person, ha? It makes you honest. Minsan, leaving is not rejection. Leaving is respect. Respect for who they were in your life, and respect for who you are becoming. Parang ahas lang yan. To grow, kailangan niya mag-shed ng balat. Hindi dahil ayaw niya sa dati niyang sarili, pero dahil hindi na siya kasya doon. And when you outgrow people, it doesn't mean that you stop loving them. It just means you're finally choosing yourself. So if you're in the place right now, kung ramdam mo, kung hindi ka na-align talaga sa mga tao na nakasama mo, na may connection kayo, pero natatakot kang umalis, let this be your sign. You can love them and still let them go. Because sometimes the next version of your life requires a different set of people. And that's okay.
Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like